Hello, my friends. It is time to understand how to multiply by threes, fours, and six. We are going to do this by breaking it apart. So let's look at this problem. Grace gives grapes to six friends. She gives each grape seven grapes. How many grapes does Grace share altogether? Let's read that again. Grace gives grapes to six friends. She gives each friend seven grapes. How many grapes does Grace share to get all together? So let's understand the important part of this word problem. She has six friends, six groups. Each group or friends get seven grapes. So we can write it as 6 times 7. Six groups and seven grapes each. Now, the next step is once we understand our multiplication equation, let's create an array. Remember, do not forget to number your rows. So your rows is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then each row receives 7 grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, you can simply get your answer by counting each dot. Take your time to do so now. Now that you have count your dots, you know what 6 times 7 is. But we're still going to use the method that is called break it apart. So now, when we break this big, massive number apart, we're going to break it into groups of ones, twos, and fives because these are the multiplication tables and facts that we know. So let's go back and break it apart. So because it's a big group, we're going to break row 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to break row 1 through 6 into fives. And then the other group, which is in the green, will have 2. Once we break it apart, we have to explain our multiplication. What's in the purple? We have 6 rows and 5 dots in the purple. That's why we have 6 times 5. In the green area, we still have 6 rows and 2 dots in each row. That's why we have the multiplication 6 times 2. Now tell me something that you notice. That's interesting. The sixes are the same. And 5 plus 2 is 7. So you have 6 times 7. Let's keep going. Now we're going to multiply each multiplication equation. So what is 6 times 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 6 times 5 is 30. Now we have to figure out what is 6 times 2. 2 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes, so 6 times 2 is 12. Once we get our multiplication facts, then the very last step is to add 30 plus 12. Let's start with the ones. 0 plus 2 is 2, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So my answer is 42. Did you count 42 dots at the very beginning? I hope that you have. That's the way we know that our answer is correct. So let's recap. Let's remember the steps, and I want you to repeat after me. Step 1, write the equation. Step 2, draw the array. Do not forget to number your rows. Step 3, break it apart. You can only break it in groups of 1s, 2s, or 5s because those are the multiplication facts that we are comfortable with. Then multiply. Then add. And we have our number. Well, that's all, my friends. Make sure you practice every single day. Math is fun. Math is joyful, and I want you to enjoy every moment. Bye-bye.